let's take a look here at Defense in Depth to understand the layers of security AWS has to consider for their data centers, for their virtual workloads, and things that you also have to consider when you are thinking about security for your cloud resources. So in the most interior, we have data. So this is access to business and customer data and encryption to protect your data. Then we have applications. So applications are secure and free of security vulnerabilities. Then you have compute, so access to virtual machines, ports on-premise and cloud. You have the network layer, so this limits communication between resources using segmentation and access controls. You have the perimeter itself, so distributed denial of service protection to filter large-scale attacks before they can cause denial of service of users. You could say that's part of the network layer, and that's what I say there are variants on this, but we're just separating it out explicitly there. We have identity and access, so controlling access to infrastructure and change control. And then there's the physical layer, so limiting access to data centers to only authorized personnel. You'll notice I highlighted identity and access in yellow. It's because that is considered the new primary perimeter from the customer's perspective. Of course, AWS has concern about the physical perimeter and things like that. But as a customer, that's what you're going to be thinking about, especially with the zero trust model. And when you see these depths, the idea is that in order to get here, you have to pass through all this stuff. So if this outward one is protected pretty well, then you generally don't have to worry about the interiors, but of course you should. But yeah, there you go.